Hey guys, welcome back to Mama's Budget and More. Today we are doing our minis. So if that's something you're interested in, then let's get started. I've got my Galindas here from Miss Eva over at Budget Your Life. So pretty. Okay, so I've also got $30 here. Try not to chunk my dice off the table. Okay, so the way I do minis, I think, is the way a lot of people do. I'm gonna roll the dice, whatever it lands on, that envelope's gonna get one bill until we're out of money. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we've got 6 and 3. I don't know how I usually hold this. I feel weird. Okay, 5 and 4. So how was y'all's weekend? Did everybody have fun? Like, I don't know, it was a weird way to ask that. Did you have fun? Did you have anything planned? Tell me what you did. 3 and 6. 4 and 4. 1 and 6. 1 and 5. 5 needs a little bit more left today. It's not getting a whole lot. So 3 and 5. 6 and 4. Come on, one more 5. 2 and 2. 2 more rolls. 1 and 6. Can both of these be a 5? Can we do both 5s? No, just one. Just one 5. 3 and 4. Oops. Oh well. That's okay. Let me clean this up and I'll be right back, you guys. Okay. So coming in here to number 1. I'm just going to say this before even getting into all this. I do not anticipate finishing any except for maybe 1. But that's okay, because any progress is great progress. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's do, I already did blue, let's do purple. I'm gonna go ahead and cross off one of these 3s and this 1. So that's $4. This one is from Budgeting in a Fairy Tale from Miss Bathy. So I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 in here so far. And this is a $35 saver. If I can get that in there. Okay. Next we have number 2. Didn't get a whole lot, but there's some. Let's see, this one is from, me, this one's mine. Let's see what I got. This is a member freebie on my Ko-fi. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and $4. So we can color in this row here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 in here with 8 more to go. So it'll be 24 when we're done. Alright, next we have, this one is brand new. We finished our, oh, you know what? It's not, because I didn't put a challenge in there. Let me find one real quick. Actually, you know what? Let me see. Let's do this one. This was October freebie from Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. This was from last month's member, Ko-fi member stuff. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we can finish off one side over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll figure out where that's going later. I know this is more of a tiny, just I don't know, maybe just because of size, but anything over $10 is a mini for me. And you guys, I'm so sorry if you can hear all the background noise from these kids. They don't know how to be quiet when I'm filming, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, so this one is from Budget with Carly, and we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. So let's see, we've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, and we only needed one more. Dang. Okay. If I have anything left over, because like I said, I might be finishing, I wasn't anticipating finishing this one, but a different one. So we should have 27. So we've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If by chance we have anything left over, I'll come to this one. Alright, next we have this one from our bestie over at Kimmy's Corner. Okay, so that works out. We've got $1, $2, $3. So we're gonna finish off this section that we didn't get to last time. And then we're gonna color in another one. So we are almost done with this one, you guys. Hopefully I have our next check, I can put some extra money into minis and we can get a couple of these done. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 98. It'll be 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yep. So we've got $12 left to finish this one. So exciting. Okay, number 6. This one is from, I think, Steph's on a Budget. Yep. Ooh, and we are finishing this one. Yay. So we've got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6, and we only needed 3. Last time it got quite a bit. So 1, 2, and 3. Cute little otter. 3, so we should have, what, 4, 8, 12, 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome. Let's see. This one is going towards vacation. Yay. I love that. So we need all the money we can get to go towards vacation. Okay, so let's see, let's do, I'm gonna do this one. This one's from Eva at Budget Your Life. It was the freebie that I got in an order. I normally don't do scratch offs and minis, but it's okay. So we're gonna finish this one also as well. I don't know, however you want to word that. Okay. So go ahead and color this in. So now we should have $28. And that one is going towards our weird category. So 20, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So thank you, Miss Carly. That is 2 done. Let's see, I don't think we're real close to anything else. I can put it in this one. I think this is the furthest along. This is, well, maybe like the biggest one, I don't know. So we've got $2 left in here, so we'll go ahead and cross off this 2. So now in this one we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we are a little bit over halfway there. Not, well, no, not halfway. Almost halfway there. Okay, now let's see. 2, 3. Now I need to find a different one for here. Let's see. Let's do this one from Budgeting in a Fairy Tale. It's also another scratch off I got on one of her, or from an order. So I know these ones are small because they're the freebies. Usually they are kind of small. So I just want to get those ones done. Because I don't know where to fit them in it, but they will go somewhere. So let me get this cleaned up and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, we are done with minis today. We were able to finish 2, one for our end of the year, beginning of the year, and one for vacation. Super great. Those 2 categories always need something. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't yet, please go check out my website. I've got some really cool stuff on there. Like our 2026 mystery box. I know I've been mentioning it a lot lately, and I'm sorry, but I'm just really excited about it. So I just want you guys to be just as excited. That is it for today, you guys. I will see you guys Wednesday.